What happens to you when you hate? Watch this. I'm going to show you exactly what happens. This is like a fruitful person, but this is not for no reason. This person is these 7 things that love is. They're patient, kind, truthful, protect others, they hope, they persevere. But in life, people come along and they hurt us. They can take your fruit, they can't touch your root. In other words, they can hurt you, but they can't change who you are. So if you love through the hurt, loving through the hurt, keep protecting, keep trusting, restores everything that was taken from you. The problem is, we decide we're going to put ourselves first after we've been hurt. And then we become these 8 things that love is not. We're angry, rude, envious, prideful, boastful. Now, this is no longer what someone did to us. This is what we're doing to ourselves. It's our own decision. When we get here, unfortunately, we think it's everyone else's fault. So, hate destroys the hater. It's all in this book, The Right Fight, How to Live a Loving Life. Go read it. Trust God's Word no matter what. Keep your eyes on the horizon.